Hi, everyone. Today's disassembly is an old BMW 1 Series. This is the contents of its packaging. This is a disassembly tool. We see the needs to prepare. Firstly, we will remove the air outlet panel. Unplug the double flashing button plug cable on the back. Then we loosen the screws that secure the original car button panel and remove the panel. Unplug the plug on the back. Now let's loosen the screws that secure the original car host and remove the host. Okay, now we need to unplug all the plugs connecting to the original car host. Next, we will loosen the two screws that secure the original car screen. Remove the original car screen and unplug all plugs on the back. Now thread the new product's power cord from here to the top. Install the base of the new product on it. Okay, we will now connect the LVDS plug to the back of the new product. Connect the white power plug to the new screen. Connect the quad-G antenna. Connect the GPS cable. Install the new product on the base. Refasten the two screws. Now we connect one end of the power cord of the new product to the plug of the original car. Reconnect the plug on the back of the original unit. Okay, now connect this section of the power cord of the new product to the host computer. Reinstall the original car and secure it. Plug the back of the key panel back in and reinstall it and secure it. Reinsert the double flash plug on the rear of the air outlet panel and install the air outlet panel. The installation is complete. Now our new product has no sound. We need to enter the original car AUX and set up. Okay, now you can enjoy local or online music. It supports ECU dashboards and has a variety of theme options. It also supports external radar detection. You can use the map to navigate or download other apps. Bluetooth phone support. You can use the steering wheel button to answer and hang up. Of course, it also supports knob operation. It can use Carplay. You can use the voice assistant inside. You can make calls, listen to music, map navigation, or use other mobile apps. The latest Android car radio. Looking forward to your experience.